It's March 28th and it's 1:01, okay? I woke up like 30 minutes ago, so it's looking like y'all might get 3 videos today depending on how quick I work. I set myself up so once I finish exporting one video, then I will make my breakfast and stuff and then hit the road. I woke up this morning and I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, I can see a little something going on. I don't know what it is, but a little something's going on, okay? This is only 4 days in, so I'm excited about that. Let's see what 69 days look like. Oh, and I have my hair in a little bun. Like I told you guys, I like to leave my hair out for a couple of days. You guys don't normally see this part of me. Let me pull it out so you can see the length. I'm actually relaxed. I don't even know if I told you. I probably told you guys that before. I'm relaxed and my hair has been growing a lot ever since I changed my routine. So I try to export things overnight, like while I'm sleeping, and what irritates me is when I turn on my laptop and it like went to sleep or something and my shit ain't done exporting. Like, pisses me the fuck off. Now I have to change my schedule around. Irritating. When I was in elementary school, there's these little Spanish kids or Mexican kids. They used to have bananas and their bananas used to have like little brown spots on it, and everybody knew that that meant your banana was rotten, right? Even a little tiny brown spot like this. But those kids told us that this part is sweeter because that's what they use to make candy. Parents can lie, man. I'll never forget that shit. I was like, it's sweeter. One day I tasted it and it is actually sweeter, but it's not on purpose. It's because it's overripe. But your parents tell your kids that that's what they use to make candy. That's where sugar comes from. Ha! I was just like, damn. When I was younger, I was like, wow, parents know everything. They're just a whole bunch of big ass liars. That's it. But now, a little brown doesn't scare me because I used to eat it when I was little because of them little kids and your parents lying to them. I eat a little something before the gym for energy and as a chaser for what I'm about to just do to myself right now. Today's vlog is gonna come probably like pretty late, like 6 or something, because my computer be tripping. I'm not gonna let that stop me though. Keep tripping if you want. People are saying it can ruin your teeth. I hope that doesn't happen. Oh, I can smell it. But I told you guys yesterday, like, you have to smell it before you take it. Like, if you don't, you're gonna hurt yourself. After this bottle, I'm gonna get the pill, so I'm not really tripping about that. But okay, I know this is gonna burn, so I prepped myself, I prepped my mind. Oh, that wasn't bad, y'all. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all about trial and error. You have to test things out in life. I figured it out. You have to make sure you know what it smells like and what it's gonna taste like. Shot it. Make sure it doesn't touch your teeth. Make sure it goes straight to the back of your mouth and down, right? Chase it and rub your tongue. What I did was rub my tongue on my teeth with this in my mouth, so that way I couldn't even taste it after. And it didn't touch my teeth. I don't know how y'all be drinking it through straws though, because I see comments saying that too. How? You gonna taste every single flavor of it. Oh, people are gonna be mad at me this summer. Ooh. All right, I'm at the gym. Oh, there's nobody in there. Ugh, fuck. I need to go to 2 different post offices and I need to find a tailor because one of my clients, one of the ladies who I did a wig for, I made her a gym wig. She saw a wig that I made for myself and it was a gym wig. It just has, you guys will see it probably as these vlogs progress, but it's pretty much a wig that I made for the gym that I don't even wear to the gym because I don't like anything on my head when I'm at the gym except for like a hood or something. Oh, it looks so beautiful in my background. So she saw the wig that I had and it just has like a scarf around the front, and so you can tie it in the back, you can tie it in the front, and it's curly hair that's attached to a scarf pretty much. I use it to run errands and stuff, and she saw it on me one day and she wanted one, so I made her one, but she has a really small head, so the scarf was too big for her, so she wants me to cut the scarf. And I was like, just send it to a tailor and have them cut it and stitch it because the scarf, if it cuts, it'll fray. And she was like, I don't have a tailor because blah, blah, blah. So she ended up sending me the wig back. So I have to find a tailor to sew it for her. And then I'm gonna stop at Walmart for the stuff I was supposed to get yesterday, and then I'm gonna go to Ross to return some things. Ooh, that was one of my like strongest workouts, I want to say, ever since like college when I played volleyball. I normally don't push myself past where I should, but I did that today. And I think the only reason why I did that is because I had energy. I love to keep little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers around because I don't want all that gym shit wherever I end up going next, you know? And it's lavender, so it calms me down. Let me change this climate. It's 86 degrees outside, y'all. Finally, we get in some spring weather out here. 86 is kind of hot, no? What time is it? Oh, I can still make it to the post office. Yay, I'm going to the post office. So I really just had an hour workout and I went that hard. That's right, Amara, do your shit. The stuff I did, normally I wouldn't be able to get that done in an hour or an hour and 30 minutes. I did it in 55. This might be TMI, but fuck it, it's a vlog channel. Y'all want to see what I'm doing throughout the day. I had one of the best shits of my life as well this morning. I don't know if it's apple cider vinegar or the fact that I'm just working out and my metabolism is finding its place, but I don't shit. You know how they say girls don't shit? Like, I literally don't be boo-booing. I like don't even know how I'm not double my size. I just felt light after, and that's probably the reason why I was running the way I was running at the gym, y'all. You would have thought I was a fucking marathon runner, okay? For those of you concerned about my seatbelt, 1, I'm an adult. 2, I'm one of the best drivers you'll ever meet, and 3, it's on now, so leave me alone. Oh my god, do you see the got to be glue that I try to glue my edges down with dripping off of my forehead? That's why I don't do lace frontals, y'all, because I sweat, okay? And when I go to the club, I do not want to see this on my forehead, okay? And that's another reason why I'm working out, y'all. I realize, like, I sweat way more than I should when I'm, like, just out dancing. Like, I love going out to dance. Y'all know that. I'm always at the club. And it's not to be a hoe or anything. It's literally just because I love to dance to music. I like it, right? But recently, every time I go out, I start dancing, I get all tired. I don't think I need to be at the club no more, but really, it's just that I'm out of shape. But it's okay. By summertime, I'm gonna be twerking throughout all the clubs, y'all. Y'all not gonna be able to stop me. Don't even try it. You're just gonna hurt yourself. Don't try to stop me. It's gonna be a hot mess. You better subscribe. I just fucking realized that there's a honey baked ham right here next to the post office and my car wash. Yeah, you know, I found my car wash, y'all. This is what it looks like. That's why I was cleaning my car the other day. It's lit, huh? And then my post office is right there. And then there's a fucking honey baked ham right here. If y'all don't know what honey baked ham is, just search to see if there's one around you first and go, okay? And if there's not one around you, just look at their menu, you'll understand. The only time I saw one was in my little city I lived in growing up, like in Ontario. And Ontario has all these cute little family-owned restaurants, so I was just like, seeing that, it's like, what? Drowning. What? I'm home. Drowning. I'm home, y'all. I'm drowning. You see it? Honey baked ham, y'all. I'm at the cleaners trying to get my wig stitched right now, so we're gonna see how much that's gonna cost. I have a headache, I haven't eaten yet. It's 5:45 right now, so yeah, I haven't eaten yet. That's crazy. But it's okay, I'm gonna eat when I get home. I just did my makeup because I'm about to film a video. This is gonna go up probably the same day as this vlog. I can't find my damn wig grip. I've been looking for it for like an hour. My head hurts now because I've been looking so hard. Where the hell could it be? Like, only other place I haven't checked is my car. And that stressed me out because I know it's not in my damn car. Watch it be in my car. But I'm gonna just order a new one. But for now, I'm just gonna have to let it sit on my head and not move too much because it'll fall off. I'm about to clean my apartment. Let me upload this. Y'all gonna be tripping if you don't get your vlog today. I'm gonna upload the vlog right now. It is 10:05 at night and I'm just barely uploading the vlog. Let that upload. I'm gonna show you guys my apartment real quick and so you guys can see all the work that I need to get done tonight because I'm gonna do it. I can't just keep procrastinating. I already made my couch, by the way, so I made the couch, but I had a blanket on it because this couch is so comfy. Ugh. I paid so much money for this couch and I feel like it's not even gonna last as long as it should because I'm always sleeping on it. It's so comfortable. But anyway, so this is the living room, what it looks like now. Okay. And then we're gonna turn this way. And this is what this place looks like. There's stuff on both of these chairs. All these clothes right here for Mercury, I have to take pictures of those. All of these are the ones I just took pictures of. This is the dining table. I'm supposed to be making a vision board, so that's what that is. And then this is the kitchen. Trash. One thing that's important to me is that my house always smells good. So even though it's a pigsty right now, it still smells good. I just filmed, so there's stuff all over the place, but this is what that room looks like. Let me show you the closet. This is what the closet looks like. All my shoes need to go up. Then these are all the things that need to be on Mercury as well. There's one more box underneath there that's full. That I have to get to of more clothes for Mercury, but that's going, I don't know. I might just knock it out next week or something before I go to Ohio. Okay, so that's the closet. Go inside the laundry room. And I hope you guys are looking at the floors too, because the floors are low-key dirty as well. This is the laundry room. See what that's looking like. Here's what the guest bathroom is looking like. And then here's my room. This is the dirtiest of them all. It's not dirty, it's just my stuff is all over the place. And my bathroom. A hot fucking mess because this is where I get ready and all that stuff. So, and my tub, I don't know what's up with these tubs. Maybe because I use black soap, but the tub, the bottom always gets black so fast. I have to wash it every day. And that's annoying. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. This is what the closet looks like. My closet is pretty neat usually. So I'm gonna clean up my apartment because not cute, okay? Not cute. I'm a grown woman, it's not cute. All right, so I'm done cleaning. This is what the living room looks like. And then this is what the bar area looks like. These are still gonna get put up. That's why they're still there. I'm still gonna do that. So that's why that's still there. In the kitchen. Chris cleaned the fridge. Chris cleaned the whole kitchen. You a trooper ass nigga. Okay, and then, let's see, the guest room, clinked. The guest room closet, clinked. Oh, I forgot to fold those, but I'm washing the bath rugs right now, so I'm gonna do that. Guest bathroom, clinked. Scrub the tub. Tub of scrub. Scrub. Let's go down. Okay, and then my room is finally clean. Oh my god, it hasn't been clean for like a week. Woo! So this is the closet's all cleaned up. My bed is made. Oh yeah, that's nice. The bathroom is clean. I tried to get out as much as the brown as I could from the soap, but it still looks like brown right there. But my mirror clinked, so now we could do the update. What have I noticed different about myself? I don't feel that much soreness right here. I feel a little bit of soreness right here, but not as much as yesterday. My abs, not as sore as yesterday. Like today was just a regular day, I think. It wasn't like I worked out the hardest today, but I feel like I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. You know how that works, right? This is day number 4. Day number 4 is down, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go out and do wonderful things in the world. I love you.
If you call a woman, African woman, no go gree. She go say, I be lady, yo.